welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be quick, but it's going to walk you through the easiest way to file an extension, because at this point we're one weekend away, and if you haven't already started your taxes, you're going to need that extension. So first things first, before you do this, you're going to need to know what you're going to owe in estimated taxes, if at all. So first off, before watching this video, check out my TaxCaster video. So this uses TurboTax's tool to figure out how much you're going to owe this year. If you don't think you're gonna owe anything, or you already know how much you owe or won't owe at all, then you can go ahead and start with this video. This video is gonna walk you through, again, the easiest way to file an extension. And basically what you're doing is going to the IRS website, making that estimated payment, if there is one, filing it as a payment for an extension, and boom, that's it. There's no logging into anything for any kind of form. All you do is make that estimated payment, and you're good to go. It automatically puts it into the IRS system stating that you filed for an extension because you made an extension payment. So sit tight, pay attention, and you're gonna get that extension done so that you can stop stressing and have a little bit more time to get all of it in. Like and subscribe, and let's go. We are on the IRS extension of time to file your tax return website. I will leave a link down below for you, but this is just the main page that says, hey, if you need an extension, this is how you do it, direct from the IRS. Like I said earlier, someone from YouTube was just like, hey, try it this way. And so because I slightly have trust issues when it comes to these things, I decided to do some digging, and lo and behold, it is literally right here. So the normal way is here, but literally it says, to get an extension, you can also get one when you make a payment. So you can get an extension by paying all or part of your estimated income tax due and indicate the payment is for an extension using direct pay, the EFTPS, or a credit or debit card. So literally, this is the easiest way. You go in, you put your info in, you pay that estimated tax, and then you're good to go, and you don't have to file a separate extension form, and you'll get a confirmation for your records. Easy peasy. I'm going to go to the next screen. I'm going to show you how to do it using direct pay, just because that's the easiest way. Here we are on the direct pay with the bank account. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit make payment. And like I said earlier, and it's going to get you to this page. You're going to need to know that estimated tax. And if you don't know yours, go and watch my TaxCaster video. It uses TurboTax to estimate your taxes for you. There's also an IRS way to do that, and I can leave that link down below as well. But here we are on this page. Literally, you're going to go down, you're going to click extension, apply payment to, this is the only one that's it's going to show you tax period 2021, and hit continue. And it's just saying this is what you chose. Is this correct? Hit continue. Tax year for verification. For this purpose, I'm just going to say 2020. Let's say that you're filing an extension for 2021 in 2022. If that's not the case, just click the one that applies for you. But they need to verify it to see if you are really who you say you are. So they're going to verify it using 2020. Filing status, again, I'm just going to put this info in for a test case. You make sure it matches you. So I'm going to say married, filing joint. Becca, testing, social security number. Okay, confirming. Date of birth is today, April 15th. Street North. You're going to accept the Privacy Act. It's just saying that we're doing it online, so we're not using paper. Hit continue. And obviously, this is not going to match anything because I just put in information that doesn't match. But this is what you're going to do. You're going to hit continue. It's going to go and literally give you the option to do direct pay. You're going to put in your bank information, and then you will literally just pay the amount, hit submit, and it's going to give you a receipt, not only that you paid, but that you have filed an extension. Literally mind-blowing, like 5 minutes of this. Again, it's only going to be long if you don't know what your estimated taxes are. If you don't, go and watch my short video on the TaxCaster. If you do, it's going to be a 5-minute extension, and boom, you've got till later this year to file your taxes. If you don't want to use TurboTax, if you don't want to use H&R Block, if you don't want to use IRS extension right now, like the form itself, use IRS direct pay, or you can use the debit card or the other version, but this is the easiest way to do it. Make your payment, submit it, get your receipt, and you've got your extension. Thank you, thank you, thank you to our dear friend on YouTube who suggested this idea. I am so glad that I tried it out. Although I don't need an extension, if you do, this is the best way to do it. So get it done. You have till Monday. That's only a couple days away. Do not wait till the last minute. This is already waiting till the last minute. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Although tax season is over, I'm going to continue to share so many things on my channel. I would love for you to join me. I will catch you in the next video.